Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. I'm going to veer away from 143 scale or Hot Wheels cars and go over to some of my collectible tanks. Now, I did buy this Corgi showcase collection of fighting machines tank, basically second hand. It had actually already been, you know what, I'm actually not sure it's open, but the price tag's been ripped off. And I don't think that was because of me hiding the price from my wife. I actually think I picked up this quite cheap. But with this particular opening today, I'm going to show you off some of these other vehicles that I've got. Not all of them, because I have, oh, can't remember how many more, 96 more military vehicles in die cast, all at this 172 scale. I think this is my Sherman tank, I believe. A little bit of dust on it. They've been sitting on the shelf. If you look at the beginning of my stream, you'll see a whole bunch of military vehicles and tanks and the likes. Now, see if we can get this without the fighting machine. You know what, let's put that there. This is a obviously a World War II Jeep that I've had in die cast. Quite good. It's actually got some weight in it. It's one of these. So I picked up a bunch of these. What are these? Cararama. There we go. The Jeep. So it is a CJ2A. So Jeep CJ2A. I bought 4 of these. Each one of these, I bought them for dioramas. I used to do, as a young guy, 172 scale dioramas. Got a bunch of figures and barbed wire and all sorts of World War II stuff. Now, I bought 4 of these because they all have a different registration on the, let's see if we can get that on in focus, on the front there. So each one has a different registration. That's a 57, that's a 71, that's a 75. And this one's in blue with the windscreen down, is a lot harder to read in blue. I think that's a 64 or an 04. That's just the last 2 figures. They've obviously got a much longer number. But these particular ones, the front does come down, so you can have your figures with the whole front down like that. 100% reminds me of MASH. TV show, one of the greatest TV shows ever, in my opinion. Now, the reason I'm showing you that is because these are some of the things I've hung on to, and I probably bought these 20 years ago. It's got to be at least 20 years ago. They have sat on some dioramas. Obviously, I have not put a driver figure in there. I think I've had the window down most of the time anyway. These particular ones I've had for a few years. These are from a magazine collection, tanks that my wife was able to pick up at a charity shop that had been donated, probably actually after somebody's estate had been cleaned out, and they're like, you know what, donate it to the local charity. The M1A1, no, M1A1? No, is it the Sherman? Had already been taken, but the rest were available, and I think my wife came home with 97 of them, all about $5 or so each. Considering you paid $20-something at the magazine collection, I was absolutely no problem with her spending that much money on me like that. This Corgi one, though, there's something else I picked up. So what have we got? We've got a M48 Patton Tank. This is a Vietnam era. So this is Tour of Duty Vietnam, as she says inside there. I haven't opened this. I have figured I would wait. So I've been planning this YouTube channel now for about 4 years. Instead, I started a gaming channel, and I've been playing with that one since 2020. But I originally started my YouTube, a different one, for building all my model kits. and or showing off all my collection. Well, it's evolved eventually into this one that you're watching now. So let's see if we can get this open. I'm going to wreck the packet. I'd like to keep the packet on this one. There we go. But I am going to incorporate these into 172. I've got 30, 40 kits unbuilt, mostly aircraft, but I do have got some 135s as well, but do you know what? Why not? We'll show you right now what else we got. I haven't shown these on channel, but just to go with these type of things. Actually, I have no idea. These are not World War II. These are Scottish Skiltron, but they are people that I'd be able to use, and you can potentially reshape these guys for whatever. What was that? $1. So that actually costs $1. And when you see a kit like that from 172 scale, you go, yep, I'm buying that. So I've got a few Airfix kits. So I've got some paratroopers, some personnel, that type of stuff. Actually, that feels loose. I don't think, yes, it's $10.99. I might have actually paid full price on that one. Some Luftwaffe. I've got a checkpoint. I've got other gates and fences. These will eventually end up on my channel when we start building our dioramas. What else have I got? Artilleria, NATO pilots, fences, and then it goes into 135 scale, bunch of stuff. So I got a lot of kits to build and incorporate, but when you see these in die cast, and I don't think this costs too much. I might have removed the price. I still don't think it costs too much. But hey, Corgi makes some good stuff. All right, this has got a plastic stand on it. Okay, well, it's not going to stay on the stand. How do you get... All right, I see what you've done. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to incorporate those into a diorama build. I just got to get enough shelf space for all of these dioramas that I want to do, because I've got a bunch of car dioramas. But I did build a huge man cave with dioramas in mind and different shelves and stuff. I've got a lot of 144. There we go. Now it's come off. Let's put that back together. So we've got a poster thing at the back. Is that going to come off? Feels like it. Almost like a booklet. Oh, right. How about that? Showcase Display Series. M48 A3 Patton Tank. Is that a Patton tank? Wait, is that the one I got? Yeah. The one on the picture is slightly different though. Just up the top. We're a bit different in the back. But this one's actually got mess paint and dirt painted on there. So, Eve of Destruction. Hello, that's me, my wife, who is coming to see what I'm up to. Just be aware I am recording. So, Tour of Duty, first introduction, 1953, built before the production, C1059. Yeah, okay, so that goes on display in the background, I'm guessing. I won't be doing that, but I will put it back in its place so that when I rebox this plastic, because I'm going to keep that. But we've got a Phillips head screw there. Let's take that out. And after my wife's entry there, it reminds me I may need to re-oil that hinges on the door. Oh wow, this is in tight. That is not going around. Yes, it is. It was just skipping a bit. Alright, there we go. that out. No, that's a very long screw. Way to go, Corgi. You've really done well there. Okay, we'll take the plastic off. That thing keeps moving. Now I'm guessing it's a display like so. And then re-put it in there. It's got wheels. Oh, maybe the Corgi things were originally a toy thing. So, but when I do this, it'll actually be on display. Okay, yep, we can turn the thing. Can we actually move the turret? I'm not going to play with that too much, but Eye of Destruction on the turret there, and USMC on the side with numbers. Yeah, cool. This will actually join in with my collection of 172 scale tanks, including the ones that I was mentioning just a moment ago that my awesome wife was able to go and get from the shop. Of one which is here, and the other 90 something are on the shelf that they'll actually get their own videos later. That's actually really hard to see those. There we go. Let's lighten it up. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you've got any suggestions of what dioramas and or other things to put in there, I've got a few in my mind, but happy for comments. And or if other people have channels with 172 scale tanks and the likes, let me know, because I'm always interested. Like I said, I've had these Jeep now for probably almost 20 years. So maybe even more, I'm not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.